welcome back, guys. So today I have another special unboxing for you guys to check this one out. This one is the folding mini car door latch hook for a footstep pedal. Work as a ladder for a Jeep, SUV, truck. So you could work on your roof rack or anything like that. So this was the $10.99 free shipping on eBay, and then with the tax and everything, the total is $11.95. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I got. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So here's a little instruction right here. Matters needing attention. Try to put your foot next to the hook. So after you unfold it, you want to go ahead and put your foot right next to your door jammer hook. Or else if you put it right here, far away from the hook, it might bend it or something. It says do not jump on the product. Put the black tape on the back of the product. Just like that, okay? Let's go and then check it out. Wow. Pretty nice. And it says stunt. I stunt. And then this one, just in case you need to break your window, you could use this puncture point. So you're gonna put this on the back right here. This is a foam tape as a padding, so it doesn't scratch your car in case it's pushing against your door jamb. And then it comes with two of these stripes tape. And it also comes with this a case. This kind of remind me of a sunglasses case. I used to sell sunglasses at the Swami, and looks like one of those sunglasses carrying case. Go ahead and test this out. So it fits in there very nicely. So hopefully this one's gonna last long time and doesn't break. I'm gonna give a test and then show you guys. So I'm just going to install this tape right here. Okay, try to clean it. Take out the tape, just enough. Then I'm gonna cut the extra off, just like that, okay? Go ahead and test out this sucker. So let's go out there real quick and then give a quick test on the Honda Pilot. So we're over here right now, so I'll try to test out on this Honda Pilot Elite. So let's go ahead and test out for you guys to check it out. So you're going to open up the hook and then just hook it on the door jamb. That's why we put the padding right there, so it doesn't scratch your the paint. Okay. Go all the way up. So I could get over here on top and then wash the roof of the car, or put the luggage on top right here. I'm still missing the bar, the crossbar right here, so I need to purchase a crossbar in order to lower the luggages. Okay. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.